Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the McMinnville Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, May 22nd. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through the info with you. So first off, we'll look at active listing activity. So last week in McMinnville, we had 14 new listings come on the market. That was up from 8 the week prior, and ended the week at 36 homes in total on the market, which was up from the prior week and just down one from a few weeks back, kind of towards the upper part of the range. Median price and days on market for the active listings, you can kind of see we kind of hit a low for this past 6 weeks at 512,000. For the median price, and then days on market, we are up to 17, up a little bit from the prior week. So things kind of staying on the market a little longer. Moving on to pending sales. This last week, we only had 8 homes go pending. You can kind of see that's a low for the 6 weeks, and ended the week at 89 homes that are pending, which was quite a drop off. You can kind of see from the weeks prior. And median price and days on market for those pendings actually kind of hit a high in terms of the price. Median price for the pendings at 499,000, and then days on market been consistent. Hit 7 again this last week, same as the week prior, and it's been basically at that level for the whole time. And then lastly, we'll look at sold listing activity. So I show, as of the time I put this together, that we had 22 homes last week go from pending to sold, which was a pretty significant increase and certainly a high for the 6 weeks here. I did kind of look at it a little closer, and a good number of those were new construction listings. So I'm not sure if they just kind of got batched together as far as closings go, but certainly a significant increase there for the week. And when I look over the past 4 weeks of activity, had 56 homes sell in McMinnville, which again is pretty easily a high for the 6 weeks. And then the median price days on market came out at 475,000 this last week, which was down from the weeks prior. And then again, days on market holding very steady between 5 and 7. And then lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. So the red bars is weeks of inventory. And with that significant bump in the closings this last week, it brought down the weeks of inventory to just about 2.5 weeks, down from 3 weeks or so the weeks prior. And then sale price as a percent of the list, you can kind of see it's been holding steady between basically 100 and 103% of original asking price, and this last week came in at just under 102%. So market's still pretty hot. Certainly want to keep an eye on kind of the lower level of pendings and see if that's the beginning of a trend of a little bit of a slowdown, a little bit of a cooling down, but still certainly a seller's market, and people are still continuing to bid up prices above asking. So I hope that update has been helpful to you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to become your trusted realtor and help you move through life. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065. Be happy to answer any questions that you have and see if I can be of any help. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.